I am currently on the Caribbean Princess doing a 7-night Caribbean cruise, staying in an interior cabin on deck 10, room C508. Let's go check it out. Come into the room, immediately to the left there is a mirror, stand-up mirror. Right to the left as I come into the room. To the right, if you did see my Discovery Princess video, in that video we came into the bedroom area. This video we see the closet right away. Once again, a very big closet. Above it you can see that there is the life jackets for you. So right now I have my luggage here. As you can see, I did order a robe. I like the princess robes that they have on the ships. Very comfortable, very soft. They have hangers for you as well, and plenty more hangers if you so desire. This is a big closet, guys. You have a lot of space to put your luggage, your clothes, anything that you would need for the space of a week. Here we have another closet with additional storage space, and here you can find the safe. To the right of this is the bathroom. Nothing super fancy in this bathroom, guys. Decent size bathroom. I would have to see how big it is when I actually do take a shower. The toilet is here. The sink, decent sized sink to put all your amenities. They do have Lotus Spa, if you can see that. Lotion. And more shelving. Plug, cups. Decent sized bathroom overall. Now coming from the bathroom into the bedroom area. Now they say that the bedding for Princess is supposed to be so comfortable. It was very comfortable on the Discovery Princess. Here you see the thermostat. Nice bed, ample amount of pillows to the left and to the right. More storage, 2 lamps. I have not found a lot of plugs in here. I do see some on the table next to the phone. But guys, when you come in on a cruise ship, you can always bring extra plugs, more and more storage, big size TV. Even though sometimes when people on cruise ships, they don't spend much time in the cabin anyway. And so this is a nice desk, nice chair to sit on. And so some may be asking, where is the fridge? So I love the fact that more and more they don't have fridges that are standalone. They're concealed in the furniture. And so we can see that we have the fridge right down at the bottom. So this is a nice cabin for me to stay for the course of 7 days. Ample space that I need, storage space. I do have additional plugs, so I wouldn't have any issues with regards to plugs or anything in this room. The fridge is ample size for me. So tell me what you think about this room. And also let me know if you've ever been on a Princess cruise ship and if you would like to be on one. So in the meantime, also, can you please subscribe, like, comment, and click on the notification bell to be informed of future posts. And until next time, happy travels.